Meaning of giro check.
Giro check.
Giro check.
Giro check.
Giro check. A giro check, or more commonly known as a giro, is a type of financial instrument used in many countries for payment transactions. It is essentially a paper-based alternative to electronic payment methods such as wire transfers and direct debits. When someone writes a giro check, the recipient can deposit it into their bank account just like any other check. Unlike conventional checks, however, giro checks are typically faster and more secure since they are processed electronically. Overall, giro checks provide a convenient and reliable payment option for individuals and businesses alike.